So we bought one of these, basically we got a new house, yeah, so we're in the process of doing bits to it and all that malarkey. And this is the downstairs sort of toilet, cloakroom, I don't know what you call it, everyone has a different name. And we've changed the old sink to one of these vanity unit things. Just thought I'd show you it, it's pretty decent, looks nice. So yeah, I think we got it from it was online, Victoria Plumb or somewhere like that in the UK. Couple of £100, comes all built up, so it obviously comes, this vanity unit bit comes assembled, sink comes separately and the tap comes separately, so you've just got to, put the three together. You could probably do it yourself, I did it myself. If you've got a bit of basic DIY knowledge and a bit of plumbing knowledge, probably do it yourself. It's not that hard. You literally remove the old sink, put your the actual cupboard vanity bit in where you want it. You might have to cut a few holes out in the back, to accommodate the pipe work. Obviously change the taps over from the old ones to the new sink. So yeah, possible you can do it yourself, give it a go. But if you can't, obviously you'll have to get someone in to do it. But yeah, they're pretty good quality, and different handles. The Carmen's changed the knobs on the doors and that, but I think it's called the Melbourne Vanity Unit or something like that. Find it online, I don't know, but yeah, there's loads of different sorts, but we had this one in the old house, different colour. We've actually got another one for upstairs which is a grey colour, but yeah, that's just a nice little addition to a bathroom. You can get smaller ones, but I think, well, it's probably a little bit big for this room, but does the job, looks alright. I like the taps, they're pretty cool. And yeah, looks good. So that's the same unit but in grey. That's going to go upstairs. That's another job for me to do. But that's how it comes wrapped up in that. Comes like that, and the sink's in the garage, but the sink's in a separate box. You have to drop that on there. And then obviously you've got the taps. But yeah, that's all it is. Just a unit like that. It's got no back on it, so you can easily get the pipes in. And you've got a shelf going in there. So that's the next job on the list. I've actually got a video of me fitting this, so I'll upload that as well. You can get an idea of how you do it, but up to you whether you do it or not yourself. And water can do a lot of damage, so just be careful. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in a bit.